Hey, Mickey, you wanna get an antivirus ASAP? Those buttons are disappearing faster than my dad. Also, I get that they're dead from a car crash, but why is Minnie dying? Also, she did was break up with him. Also, what's he running for? Wasn't he walking in the original? Is he trying to find a pen to finish his button? He only starts running in the end. To be fair though, if I was in GameToons video, I'd try to find a way out as well. Minnie, your race changer isn't on. The hell is that voice?
Just keep running. Whoa, clumsy mud.
Ew. Also, maybe if you didn't stay completely still like a bug being spun and just move the fucking way out, you wouldn't collide. Dab, they fucked up Trace so much. Every player can recognize Mickey Mouse.
Sorry, Mr. Mouse. Player didn't mean it. Hello?
He didn't respond for 2 fucking seconds. Calm down, Sonic.
You okay?
Oh, sorry, fellas. Got a little lost in my head there. I'm used to these streets being empty, see?
Really? You don't have any neighbors? Where's your duck friend?
They're gone now. All gone. Or maybe they were never here. Can't say I blame them. The nights are getting longer around here.
Can someone tell me why he sounds like he's been here for 3 days when he was traveling for 6 months?
Let's leave, girlfriend.
What's so funny?
You said leave! The only way you leave this place is if he takes you below.
They can't just leave the way they came. Fuck him, just leave.
He takes you below.
Who's he? And below what?
I've already said too much. Gotta keep moving. Can't stay still for too long.
GF hasn't moved an inch this whole conversation.
Talk or I'll make you talk.
But with the mic, what's that gotta do? What, are you gonna beat her to the death?
We don't know what kind of powers Mr. Mouse has in this realm. Do we really want a repeat of Sonic?
Sonic was a fluke. I can take this mouse dude, no problem. Girlfriend, drop a beat.
It's funny how dumb you are.
Also, what beat? You don't have a boombox? Where are you gonna get it? I'm so tempted to use the beatboxing thing again. Fuck it.
Let me show you how to scratch it. Either way, destiny still arrives.
Say so.
This has to be the pinnacle of their lip syncing to date. Ah, Mickey Mouse classic ability, Sunky. Mickey Mouse also has the power to transfer power now. Sure, whatever. No. Oh yeah, ignore the fact that but you say in black and white. That's when monochrome Speedy Gonzales.
Okay, now fess up.
Bro really went through the whole emotional wheel.
What's really going on here?
Player, I think there's something wrong with Mr. Mouse.
Oh, sorry, friends.
Okay, I swear if he does the glitchy shit again.
I think I was, but it's so hard to remember. Ever since he moved in, it's all been a blur.
Who is he? Who are you even talking about?
If you stay still for another few seconds, we'll all find out.
For once, I gotta side with player. What's stopping you from saying what his fucking name is?
Let's get out of here.
I'm done running. Come on out, whoever you are.
I want to remove a sin for referencing the line, but this wasn't in the original, so I'll just do nothing.
Can't keep going much longer.
Ew.
Can't keep going much longer.
You literally start running for 5 fucking seconds!
Me too, player. Touching that shadow seems like game over.
This way, pals. We can take a breather in here. Home sweet home. At least I think. My head hurts trying to remember.
Didn't we already establish she can teleport? What's stopping her from doing it right now? The candle? How?
Way to fight that thing.
Oh, I used to think that, player. Hope is a crazy drug. It makes you do some stupid things, let me tell you.
No, Mr. Mouse. In times like these, hope is all you've got.
Confidence. A full substitute for intelligence.
Gonna have to disagree with you there, sweet cheeks.
Sweet cheeks.
Calm down, bitch. He's from the 60s. He's just making conversation.
Been running from that thing for a lifetime, I think. It might go away during the day, but no matter what I do, it always comes back at night. Always. Always. Always.
Mickey canonically walked here one day at the same day as the event of SNS, so why did he say that?
Calm down.
All this time, only one emotion has kept me safe.
Fear.
Bro, fuck off!
As long as my trusty candle stays lit.
Once again, how? That sure was scary, but why did he do that?
Where's Mr. Mouse?
I don't know. I think that thing got him. And now he's gonna get us. Phew.
No time to celebrate. We gotta keep moving.
Or you could have just walked a different direction. You don't need to be Mario.
I knew it. That gargoyle's been controlling him.
I don't remember this PP part of the mod.
We've got nowhere to run. What do we do?
Just gotta stall him for a second. Sunrise can't be far now.
Actually, player, about that, it's 10 a.m. already.
When in the fuck did she have a watch? It wasn't even in the previous shot, but she pulls the shit out of regardless.
No, it can't be. Where's the sun?
Bitch, I don't even know where the sky is.
With Mr. Mouse possessed, the gargoyle has total control of this realm. If he doesn't
Why?
want the sun to rise, it won't. We're doomed.
Well, there's one more thing we can try.
Are you nuts?
Are you fucking
Look how
serious?
powerful that thing is. A rap battle is useless.
Finally, logic.
Wish me luck.
I hope you die.
I think you're gonna need it.
Yeah, that's cool and all. How did I get here? We already saw your change. Are you broken record? Lip syncing. Bullshit. Also, where was this shit in the mod? Bullshit too, Bull's revenge. Ew. So, how did Mickey know this works?
Finally
Ew.
over.
I hope so.
Me too.
Burn in hell! Fun is infinite.